Have you ever wished you had a camera that could follow you everywhere without needing a pilot? Imagine pulling a tiny drone out of your pocket, launching it with one button, and getting smooth cinematic shots in seconds. That's exactly what the HoverAir X1 is built for. Welcome back to Drone Dominator, where we test the latest drone technology to help you decide what's actually worth your money. Today, we're checking out one of the smartest pocket drones on the market, the HoverAir X1. The first thing you'll notice is just how incredibly small this drone is. It folds down small enough to fit in a jacket pocket, so you don't have to carry a bulky backpack every time you want amazing aerial footage. Open it up, press a button, and it's ready to fly in just a few seconds. No complicated setup, no controller, and no stressful learning curve. What really makes the HoverAir X1 stand out is its intelligent flight system. It automatically follows you while you're walking, running, cycling, or exploring outdoors. You don't need to worry about flying skills, because the drone does the hard work for you. It keeps you perfectly framed while you stay focused on enjoying the moment. Professional creators know this. The best camera is the one that's always ready when the perfect moment happens. And that's exactly where the HoverAir X1 shines. The video quality is surprisingly impressive for a drone this small. Whether you're recording travel adventures, family memories, hiking trips, or content for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, the footage looks clean, stable, and professional. Built-in image stabilization helps eliminate shaky footage, giving your videos a polished look without extra editing. Battery life is solid for quick adventures. One battery gives you enough time to capture multiple shots, and carrying an extra battery means you can keep filming throughout the day without worrying too much about running out of power. Another feature people love is how safe it feels to use. The fully enclosed propeller guards help protect both the drone and the people around it. That makes launching and landing much less intimidating, especially if you're new to drones. If you've been enjoying the video so far, hit that like button, subscribe to Drone Dominator, and let me know in the comments which drone you want me to review next. The HoverAir X1 also includes several automatic flight modes. You can choose smooth follow shots, dramatic pull-away shots, orbit shots, and overhead tracking with just a tap. These cinematic moves normally require an experienced drone pilot, but here, they're available to almost anyone. Of course, it's important to remember what this drone is designed for. It's not meant to replace larger professional drones built for long-distance flying or heavy wind conditions. Instead, it's made for convenience, portability, and capturing everyday moments quickly. And honestly, that's exactly why so many creators love it. Technology should make creativity easier, not more complicated. The HoverAir X1 proves that you don't need a giant drone to create videos that look impressive. So, is the HoverAir X1 worth buying? If you're looking for an ultra-portable drone that launches in seconds, follows you automatically, and captures smooth cinematic footage without needing a controller, it's definitely one of the most exciting options available. It's simple, fun, and surprisingly capable for its size. Thanks for watching Drone Dominator. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest drone reviews. I'll see you in the next video.